If you've been waiting for the right time to buy in DC, this might be it. Rates just dipped below 6%, and this condo was just repositioned to $359,000. Now let me show you why that matters. You walk into a concierge building, elevator up, door opens, and this is what you come home to. Nearly 700 square feet, loft-style ceilings, floor-to-ceiling windows pouring in light. It feels open, calm, modern. Gas cooking, an island where friends lean while you finish dinner. In-unit washer and dryer, because we're adults now. You can work here, host here, or just shut the door and exhale. Then there's the rooftop. Sunsets, wine, monument views. And when you step outside, restaurants, coffee, fitness, metro. You don't drive to your life, you walk to it. And now, at $359,000, this is one of the strongest value opportunities on the corridor. If you've been renting nearby and thinking, I should probably start building equity, this is your sign. DM me for the numbers. Let's see what your monthly payment actually looks like. Because timing like this doesn't sit around.